dash right now? You all pumped
That's
up?
pretty fun, actually. I find they really like to throw the dust at your face.
I can tell that. It's everywhere. Your face is very multicolored.
Well, thank you.
It's in your teeth, too.
I try to be diverse.
That's fantastic. But you guys didn't really train for this? This just happened?
No, today was
That
leg
is
day
very
and the insanity
impressive.
thing.
We go to the gym.
20 minutes
You
before
guys go to the gym.
We don't
That's
run.
how you plan.
The Zumba really helps you get into this.
Oh, yeah. No, I saw that.
Zumba was definitely,
It's probably the best warm-up
that was the it
possible.
factor. That was the it factor for us. I think that made it all come together.
So how'd you like the color run?
It wasn't bad. Every time I thought there was going to be an end, we'd turn and like go back. So it was a little strenuous. And then I saw like, I was at the front for like the first minute and then everyone started lapping me. And
Did you prepare for this at all?
no, in fact, I'm wearing jeans. You might not be able to see. We're going to pan
Hand down.
These are
This
Levi's
is his running equipment.
511s, 34 by 32. I found them on clearance in the Levi's outlet.
It was crazy. There's paint everywhere. Well, like powder, but I mean, it was nice.
are covered.
We're
So
we
congrats.
tried
to
to
do
do
a
a good job. I think we did a pretty
Yeah,
good
we did
job.
a good job. Did you guys make the outfits and everything?
We did. Just a little.
T-shirts up. Very crafty.
I am like covered in paint everywhere. Got it in my mouth, my eyes, places like chalk should not be. But it was so much fun. I'm so happy that we're doing this kind of stuff. I wanted us to do it every year after year would be great. Start some traditions maybe. So yeah, awesome. Color run. Do
You
it.
got blue lipstick
Do it
on
next
right
year.
now.
Blue lips. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
It's like a mustache, really.
respect a stash. Yellow on yellow. And his golden locks.
Yeah, I missed the green part, but I told him to just cover me at the very end. But it's so worth it. For you all who didn't do it, you missed out.